This is a story about Darwin and Freud. When I first decided to get a bird, I had no idea how much of an impact it would have on my life. It all started when I felt very lonely during quarantine. I needed a friend, something that could fill my days with joy. That's when I found Darwin. When I first took her out of the travel bag, I immediately brought her close to my chest. In an instant, she clung tightly to me, as if finding a safe and cozy place. From then on, he never really left my side. Darwin had a wonderful personality, cheerful, curious, and always wanting to participate in everything I did. If I'm cleaning the house, he'll perch on my shoulder, eagerly supervising. He was also very friendly to anyone he met. However, over time, I realized that birds in the wild always live in groups. I began to feel that Darwin needed a friend. I tried playing videos of other birds for him, and his reaction was adorable. He tried to kiss them through the screen, as if he really wanted to interact. From there, I was even more convinced that he needed a friend. After searching, I found a family who was looking for a new home for their white ringneck. I decided to adopt him. I named him Freud. From the start, Freud was very enthusiastic about befriending Darwin. He always tried to get close, but Darwin was a bit wary at first. Darwin doesn't really like fast movements, so he took some time to get used to Freud's presence. Freud also learned a lot from Darwin. From day one, he noticed how Darwin played with his toys and immediately copied the same movements. He seemed to observe every detail and tried to do the same. Darwin was the older brother who taught him many things, while Freud was the younger brother who was always curious. Seeing the two of them living together in a small family gave me great joy. In the wild, birds are never truly alone, and now I can ensure that they don't feel lonely at home either. I am grateful to be able to give them a happy and loving life.